In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to dismantle a Rubik's cube or puzzle cube. First thing is to use the proper tool for the job. Maybe not this one. This one? No, not this one. Here we go. A screwdriver with a small point. The first step is to turn the cube 1/8 of a turn, so that a 45-degree angle, so the corner piece, the edge piece is in this position. You slot the screwdriver in there and pull out the first edge piece. Then these two corner pieces come out very easily, followed by this second edge piece here. Okay. Now once that's been done, the top layer slides off more or less easily out of the gap left by the edge piece in the middle layer, and so on. Okay. Once that's done, once an edge piece in the middle layer has been removed, it's very easy to remove the corner piece underneath it. So you proceed around the entire cube until the only pieces left on the central frame are the 4 edge pieces on the bottom. And these will almost just fall off by themselves, so that you're left with the central frame, the 12 edge pieces, and the 8 corner pieces all scattered everywhere.